Hi guys, Agatha here from Dolfin RGV. Have you ever need to sell an inherited house? Well, today I'm going to walk you through some of the steps. I've been going through this recently and it's a lengthy process. You know, it takes time. First you need to get the probate, the executor will have to try to sell the property, and you need to pay off the debts, and then you have family members that inherited the property and everybody wants a share of it, right? So then what to do with the house? Maybe it needs a lot of repairs to bring it up to date. Do you want to keep it? Maybe the property is far away, maybe it's even in another country, another state, and you cannot just move over there. You have your life somewhere else, and well, that's it. What to do? You can hire a real estate agent and pay him a commission, but then you need somebody that's going to keep your house clean and presentable for visitors. And you're going to make some repairs, and you need to get somebody over there to get repairs so the house can be shown. And you know, maybe you have a friend over there or a friend of your family member who unfortunately passed, and they can help, but it's hard, and it's hard to ask so many favors. So another way, you could just have your friends sell the house, which you don't know how long it's going to take, or you can take a discount on the house and just get an investor, a real estate investor who can pay for the house cash or has access to credit, and just get rid of the property. Well, it's not easy, it's a hard decision, but you know, sometimes a real estate investor can give you the cash quickly, and then you walk away with the cash and go on with your life. So if you're interested, at Dolfin RGV, it's what we do. We pay cash for houses, we can close quick, and we take care of all the repairs. No real estate commissions, so you just go on with your life. If you're interested, just give us a call. www.dolfinrgv, it's DOLFIN RGV.com, or you can give us a call at 956-904-5234. See you around, guys. Bye.